Look what is trending. Top trending story from Pakistan. #Murree. #Murree. Trending in a different part of countries. Murree is most loved and noticed for its pleasant summers and snowy winters. It is one of the most popular destinations for vacations and visits. Heavy snowfall was reported in Murree, and the suburbs received almost 2 to 3 feet of snowfall. At least 22 people, including children, have died after heavy snow trapped them in their vehicles in Pakistan. Most of the victims died of hypothermia. Among them was police officer Naveed Iqbal and 7 other members of his family. Emergency situation declared in Murree. Tourists are advised not to travel to Hill Resort for next few days. Army troops are engaged in evacuating the stranded tourists in Murree. Pakistan Army and Air Force have opened all their bases to facilitate tourists. Prime Minister Imran Khan orders inquiry into Murree tragedy. People are tweeting on this trend. For more trending stories, follow at eTrenders or visit eTrenders.com.